So hi guys, welcome to my cooking vlog. So today's video I will going to cook pancit canton. So anyway, I'm using the different kind of noodles. Some people they are using the pancit dried pancit canton, but for me now I'm going to use the vegetarian dried noodles. So this time, one of my co-workers asked me to teach her how to cook the pancit canton. So first things first, we need to prepare our ingredients. So I have me here a carrots, the cabbage, the beans, and this is my dried noodles, vegetarian dried noodles. So this is different than the pancit dried canton. This one is a little bit larger. So this is all the ingredients. And the next steps is I'm going to boil the water for my pork chop. So I'm going to boil the pork chop until it will be tender, and I'm going to cut these vegetables while I'm boiling. So what I need here is this water. I have 4 cups of water and I'm going to boil. So while I'm waiting for the pork chop to be tender, I'm going to cut also my vegetables to prepare them, and then after that, if it's the pork chop is already tender, I show you guys how I make easy way to make this pancit canton without overcooking the vegetables and also overcooking the noodles. So first here, this pork chop, I'm just going to boil this with the water, and this one is already been soaked with black pepper, soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic powder. So let's steam this or boil this for like 15 minutes or until the pork chop will be tender. So let's wait for a while. While boiling, I'm gonna cut or clean my vegetables already. So I will add some salt and black pepper, a little bit again. So the same sauce, guys, or the same broth, that is the same broth that I will going to keep and use for my vegetables and for my noodles. I will show you guys later on after I'm going to cook my vegetables how easy it is, and it will not be overcook your vegetables and the pancit canton. So here you go. After 15 minutes or more, the pork chop is been tender already and cooked. So I will cut this also and be prepared for my pancit canton. Just saute with garlic and onion. So I set aside first while the broth is continue boiling. So this one, guys, is really easy. I don't need so much of cooking oil. So the pork chop is really tender and it's easy to shred already. So I shred all this pork chop, and yeah, so it's the taste is the good. I put salt and black pepper in the water, but I've been soaking this for like 1 hour already with vinegar, soy sauce. So now this is my beans. So this is all the beans that I need to put in my pancit. And I have also the carrots, the cabbage. So this is the cabbage. Yeah, so this is the cabbage and the beans. So let's keep boiling for like just a little bit, like 2 or 3 minutes. It's not really like cooking anyway. It's just like half cook. It's not right now. It's not really much boiling. It's not yet boiling yet. The steam is only heating, but not really boiling. But if you touch that is little bit crunchy, I think so is more than enough. So the color is still green, nice. See, I remove from the broth, and I'm still keeping the broth. Yeah, remove all the vegetables from the broth. I have carrots, cabbage, and the beans. So this kind of style of the cooking for the pancit canton, guys, is really easy. And you can keep your vegetables overcooked. So right now I set aside my my shredded pork, and also my vegetables. I will put it back the broth so I can boil or cook my pancit noodles, the vegetarian dried noodles. Yeah, so this is only my look like my vegetables here. It's not really overcooked. It's really half cooked, and the color is really good. So this is my noodles. I will put one by one. This is a little bit larger anyway than the pancit canton that I've been using. So this time, guys, I'm just showing how I make my pancit different than I made my pancit canton before. This time I made only boiling and saving the broth and using the broth for everything, my ingredients of my pancit. So this time I'm showing this one for my coworkers. For my coworker, Miss Marcela. Miss Marcela asked me how to make a pancit canton easily only. So when I told her that this is the way I like to make my pancit canton, just boil the the pork or chicken, whatever you like to use, and then save the broth. Boil all your vegetables, your cutted vegetables, if you wanted to put all those vegetables. Some people, they are just putting the cabbage or carrots. So me, I prepare also the green leaves, the leaves of the onion. I will put that on top. So right now I also remove all my noodles, and after this, guys, you can saute the garlic and onion, saute the shredded pork, and then you can toast and saute these vegetables and the pancit noodles that are cooked already. So it's just very easy, guys. Like what I said, again, just saute the garlic, onion, put the shredded meat or the pork or chicken, put the noodles, and put the cooked vegetables and mix it. And then this is the way it look like, our finished product. So it's just very simple and easy. Thank you again, guys, for watching.